What's going on, you guys, an Everyday Canadian, and welcome to our new place. As many of you guys know, we told you we were moving, and we finally got the keys yesterday so we can show you before we move in what it's going to look like. When you enter in here, this is the living room. We got a really big ledge over here to sit on. Nice big windows with screens so we can open them. It's exciting. This is our living room. This is the stairs to go upstairs. We'll show you that in a minute. Then you come down the hall, and that's the basement. We'll show you that in a minute. This is our first washroom. And then back here, this door right here leads to the backyard. Oh my god. Okay, I think we found one thing wrong with this place is this door doesn't open. Sorry, we can't show you the backyard. Look at them. There's also this window. This is our kitchen, but we'll show you the backyard first. It's all fenced in, which is good. Then this is our kitchen. Beautiful sink, nice and deep. This is our sink. It's beautiful. Love it. This is our dishwasher. Watch out, buddy. Watch out. So we do have a dishwasher, but we're not going to use it unless we have big dinners with family, because that's just pure lazy. This is our fridge. Beautiful, nice and clean. Back up, buddy. Back up. Oh, comes with 2 ice cube trays. Nice and cold. We also have a very deep pantry. Very deep. Mickey's and Walt's in there right now. Let's check out the stove. The stove is semi-small, but we have our own stove, so if it doesn't work, then we'll leave it. But all right, let's go check out the basement. So this is the basement. Oh, and give me your hand. So this is Billy's room. Hold on, let me just shut this door. So this will be Billy's room. He also has some storage under the staircase. Oh, and you found your ball. Whoa. Dirty? Yucky. Okay, so that's the storage under the stairs. Again, this is all Billy's room. This is our laundry room. Come in here. We got our washer, our dryer, and loads of shelving, which I absolutely am freaking in love with. Lots of shelving to put our Christmas ornaments, our Christmas tree, you know, our blow-up bed, everything. So it's great. And then we plug down there too, so it's awesome. This is our laundry room. Let's go upstairs to the 3rd floor. Leave the ball down. One good thing I have to say I love about this place is it has its own central air. So no air conditioners for us, no more window air conditioners, nothing. Okay, let's go upstairs and see. So when you walk up the stairs, I'm gonna shut this right now. That's the last one we're gonna look at. This is our other bathroom. Come in here. There's Scott vlogging. Nice bath. Really nice bath. Got some shelves. So now we get those sticky suction cup things to hold kids' toys. Never actually used one of these taps before. It's always been the 2 taps, so I gotta get used to that. Alright, let's go check out your room, buddy. This is Owen's first time seeing his room. It's gonna be exciting. Oh, and this is your room. This is your room. Whoa. Yeah, that's your headboard. And this is our view from Owen's bedroom. This is his closet. Love the colors of the rooms. Now my daughter's room, Madison, this will be her room because she is a girl, and as you know, girls need the bigger room. You want this to be your room? That's Madison's closet over here. No, this is Sissy's bed. So, again, this is Madison's room. Come on, buddy. This is the master bedroom. This will be our room. So when you come in here, just give me 1 second. Let me just shut this door. Okay, so when you come in here, this is our room. It's pretty spacious. Smaller than my old one, but we can work around it. We do have 2 big windows, which is awesome. We have 1 closet over here. This is 1 closet. There is another door, but we're gonna leave it off because our cat food and everything will be down here for the cat. Oh, and you're hiding. And the best part of this room, this is what I gotta show you guys. We have our own walk-in closet. Come check it out. This is our walk-in closet. This is where we're gonna put Billy's body. These things are pretty cool. They're shelves, but they also pull out. I don't know what the purpose of it is for, but yeah, it's perfect. I love it. I can't wait to move in tomorrow. We're already moving some stuff in today, and tomorrow will be the big day where it'll be a lot of work, a lot of stress. Once we're moved in, I think we're gonna adapt very well to this place. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Get ready for tomorrow for the day of us moving. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter. This is An Everyday Canadian. Take care, guys.